Are you tired of dealing with oily skin and breakouts? Looking for that natural glow without spending a fortune on expensive products? In this video, we are going to share simple and effective skincare tips that you can do at home to get clear and glowing skin. From homemade face packs to simple remedies, we've got you covered. So let's dive into the world of natural skincare. 1. Skincare tips for oily skin. Tip 1. Cleanse your skin twice daily. Use a mild cleanser suitable for oily skin. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil that help control excess oil and prevent breakouts. Tip 2. Don't skip moisturizing. Yes, even oily skin needs moisture. Choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging your pores. Tip 3. Use sunscreen daily. Oily skin can still get sunburned and damaged. Choose a non-comedogenic, mattifying sunscreen to protect your skin while keeping it shine-free. 2. Homemade face pack for oily skin. Now let's move on to some simple homemade face packs that are perfect for oily skin. Face pack 1. Multani. Clay and rose water. Mix 2 tablespoons of Multani clay, Fowler's earth, with plenty of rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply it evenly on your face and leave it for 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. This pack absorbs excess oil and tightens pores. Face pack 2. Aloe vera and lemon juice. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it on your face, leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash it off. Aloe vera soothes the skin, while lemon juice acts as a natural astringent to reduce oiliness. 3. Lifestyle and diet tips. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your face. It's also about what you put into your body. Tip 4. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking fresh. Tip 5. Eat a balanced diet. Include foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, such as fruits and vegetables, which are great for your skin's health. Tip 6. Get enough sleep. A good night's sleep allows your skin to repair and rejuvenate, giving you a natural glow. With these simple skincare tips, remedies, and home face packs, you can achieve clear and glowing skin without breaking the bank. Remember, consistency is the key to seeing results. So make these tips a part of your daily skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural skincare tips.